Hello, my dear children. Say this. What is this? This is space. Children, today I will introduce a new chapter for you. The name of the chapter is Space Travel. Children, in the previous class, we have learned about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The layer of air surrounded by the earth is called atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. It is called atmosphere. Children, have you wondered what is beyond the atmosphere or what is beyond the layer of air? Yes, beyond the atmosphere is space. Beyond the atmosphere is space. What is space? Space is the vast and limitless or unlimited region in which all heavenly bodies are found. Space is the vast and unlimited region in which all heavenly bodies are found. Do you understand? Can you go there? Yes. One can go into space, but would we need a special vehicles called spacecrafts? What are spacecrafts? Spacecrafts are special vehicles that can take a person into space. Spacecraft are special vehicles that can take a person into space. Children, the Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first human to go to space. Who was the first human to go to space? Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first human to go into space. Now, let's learn some people who have traveled in space. Who was the first Indian to go into space? Do you know? Rajesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space in 1984. Then the special vehicles in which he travelled was named Soyuz T-11. The spacecraft in which he travelled was named Soyuz T-11. Do you understand? Who was the first Indian woman to go into space? Do you know? Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. The first time she travelled into space, she travelled in the spacecraft named Columbia. Spacecraft named Columbia. Do you understand? Then again she went into the space in January 2003. But during her return journey, her spacecraft crashed and she died in 1st February 2003. You understand? So, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. The spacecraft named Columbia. Do you understand? Then again, Sunita Williams. See, my children, the second woman of Indian origin to travel in space was Sunita Williams. She stayed in space 195 days. Do you understand? Children, what did you learn today? We have learned about space. What is space? Space is the vast and unlimited region in which all heavenly bodies are found. Next, what are spacecraft? Spacecrafts are special vehicles that can take a person into space. Then, next we have learned some people who have traveled in space. Yuri Gagarin of Russia, he was the first human to go to space. Then Rajesh Sharma was the first Indian to go to space. The spacecraft named Soyuz T11. Then who was the first Indian woman to go into space? Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into space. Then Sunita Williams, second Indian woman to go into space. Do you understand, my children? I hope you understood.